Ever wonder how millionaires think about money? It's not just about fancy cars, private jets, or diving into pools of cash like Scrooge McDuck. Although that sounds pretty awesome. In reality, becoming a millionaire has less to do with luck or magic and more with adopting the right financial habits. Yep, habits. And in this video, we're going to spill the beans on how millionaires manage their money and how you can do it too. Let's get started with some millionaire mindsets you can start using today. Now, this might surprise you, but millionaires aren't out there splurging on every shiny new toy. In fact, most of them live below their means. That's right. They're not buying a new mansion every year or wearing solid gold shoes, though that'd be pretty uncomfortable. Instead, they make smart spending choices. Let's look at an example. Take Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world. He still lives in the house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. No, that's not a typo. So, what's the secret here? Millionaires know that if you keep more of what you earn, you'll have more money to invest and grow. Sure, it's fun to buy nice things, but remember, the more you spend, the less you keep. The key is focusing on value, not just cost. Okay, here's a big one. Millionaires don't just work for money, they make their money work for them. And no, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme involving lottery tickets and a four-leaf clover. I mean investing. It's all about finding ways to grow your wealth passively. Stocks, real estate, businesses, these are things that earn you money while you sleep. Ever heard of compound interest? It's like your money had a baby, and then that baby grows up and has its own baby. Before you know it, you've got a whole family of money working for you. For example, say you invest $100 a month in the stock market with an average return of 8%. After 30 years, you'd have around $150,000. Not bad for just letting your money chill and do all the heavy lifting. That's the magic of compound interest. So, the next time you're tempted to blow your paycheck on the latest gadget, remember, invest in assets, not just stuff. Another key habit of millionaires, they never stop learning. They don't just sit back and let their wealth do the work. They're always looking for ways to improve. Whether it's reading books, listening to podcasts, or taking courses, millionaires are constantly learning about money management, investing, and entrepreneurship. Take Elon Musk, for example. Not only did he build companies like Tesla and SpaceX, but he also taught himself rocket science. Now, I'm not saying you need to go out and build a spaceship in your backyard, but if you want to grow your wealth, you've got to keep growing your mind too. The more you learn, the more opportunities you'll spot to make smart financial decisions. Here's a fun fact. Millionaires are marathon runners, not sprinters, financially speaking. They think long-term, not just about quick wins. While most of us are tempted by instant gratification, ooh, shiny new phone, millionaires are playing the long game. Take saving for retirement, for instance. Many millionaires contribute regularly to their retirement accounts and start doing it early. Why? Because they understand the magic of time. Time allows their investments to grow, like a snowball rolling downhill. In contrast, if you spend your money now, that snowball might not even get started. Let's talk about a not-so-exciting but super important habit, protecting wealth. Millionaires don't just make money, they make sure they keep it. How? By having a plan. They have insurance, wills, and they invest in low-risk assets to balance out their portfolios. It's like building a financial fortress around your wealth to make sure nothing can knock it down. For example, they get things like life insurance to protect their families, and they diversify their investments to make sure a market crash doesn't wipe them out. Think of it like having a safety net. You hope you'll never need it, but it's there just in case. All right, let's quickly recap the millionaire habits we talked about today. Firstly, they live below their means. Second, they make their money work for them. Third, they're always learning. Fourth, they think long-term. Last but not the least, they protect their wealth with smart planning. These habits may seem simple, but put them together, and you've got a powerful strategy to build wealth over time. And the best part? You can start applying these millionaire habits right now, no private jet required. So are you ready to level up your financial game? If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more tips, tricks, and habits coming your way to help you reach your financial goals. And don't forget to leave a comment below. What's one millionaire habit you're going to start using today? See you in the next video.